Open source does have the advantage of allowing customization and tailoring. That's exactly why we think it's a better solution for most companies. We believe the open source approach allows us to do something a little bit differently. We have the ability to customize software to fit a specific business process or goal. The open source integrators approach is a guided approach where we do have a business process management offering that comes first. By doing that, we're able to get to the understanding of what the software needs to be done and how it enables the growth and stability and awesomeness of our customer companies. Open source software, by definition, includes a source code. There can be no lies or falsehood about it. You're seeing immediately what's available and how it works. The fact that our customers can see exactly what we've delivered ensures that we have to act from a place of strength and integrity in the first place. We have to do things right the first time. I think the difference with open source integrators is the quality of the staff and the approach that we take. We invest the time up front to gain a complete understanding of the customer's situation and circumstances and make sure that we're aligned with their business goals. What our customers are clearly needing and looking for is something that does set them apart and differentiates them in the market. The things that really make them special, we try to help them identify that and automate those pieces in order to create a strong competitive advantage and a growth path that allows them to scale with harmony.